Welcome back to Salvage Nation. Today we have got a crazy build and we have got a limited amount of time to get it sorted. We're going to be rebuilding this car from beginning to the end, all in this episode. Check it out. Guys, in the name of DJ Khaled, another one. Let's go. So today we've got a lovely Audi RS5 that has seen better days. The car has been sat for months and months. It's been abandoned, it's been written off, but it is HPI clear and we've got 48 hours to get this car looking in tip-top condition once again. It's sustained frontal impact, there's no airbag damage, and you know what? Let me just explain to you what this is all about. Alright guys, so last night we brought this car into the garage. You saw some of the damage, and like I said to you, we are blitzing out this car super quick. One of our friends have got a rental company, he hit us up and he was like, yo, someone smashed my car, we need it fixed ASAP. If the car's sitting, no money's being made and I can't have that. So we have got 48 hours to blitz this build out. You've seen the damage and I had to go home because I've got a little one to look after. However, the guys stayed really late last night and they done a ton of work. So let me show you what the guys did whilst I was away. It's literally parts everywhere on the floor. So Akil stayed late, like I said. He stripped down the front stand panel, the rads, and have a look at that broken bumper from the RS5. It's in a Nardo grey. I'm gonna go collect some paint later on today. We need to blitz this out, man. Have a look at this. Lots of parts have come in. I'm actually surprised with what Akil did in just one night. That's why I love that guy. We got one of the old headlights in there. That's still in good condition. We got another headlight right there. As you can see, we sent this off to the paint. There's no airbag damage like you saw, but coming around, he's gone ahead and replaced this driver side wing. We got a replacement crash crumple zone. The old crash bar has been refitted, new rads have been fitted, and a new front slam panel has also been fitted. As you can see, there's no chassis damage, everything lines up as it should. When Akil comes in, we're gonna continue with the front end assembly on this car. Now guys, if you saw the RS4 that we recently rebuilt, is exactly the same. It looks identical on the front. It's literally just a different body. But everything here, this intercooler on this side, everything. I love learning about these types of cars. You can see that Audi literally just put everything, same engine, same setup, but just a different body. Called it the RS5, and it's just, if you want the looks of the RS5, you buy that one. If you want the looks of the RS4, you buy that one. And obviously there's going to be a slight difference in the price. I just thought that was interesting, so I wanted to share that. Whilst all of this is going down, next door, we're getting ready for paint as well. Check this out. It's nice and early. I've got my main guy here. He's doing the sanding on that RS5 front bumper. The grills are there as well. We're going to be assembling all of this once it goes into paint. And speaking of paint as well, in the booth, here's the bonnet. We've got a replacement bonnet for the RS5. So we are going mentally fast on this build. We're doing many things at once. Lots of moving gears and stuff. So stay tuned. We're knocking out this build in 48 hours. So the next step is we're preparing everything for paint, like I said. As you can see, the front bumper has been wet sanded. And whilst that's going on, Akil's popped in. We're gonna get the wheels back on the car, get it shifted into a new position in the garage, and I'm gonna get to work. Now at the end of the video, you're gonna be seeing the owner's reaction. And he thought that this car was finished. He thought the car was done for. But I looked at this car and I thought it was light work. I thought we could get this done within the 48-hour deadline, no issue. But you tell me what you think in the comments down below. So now I'm in the correct attire, it's time to get to work. I'm going to remove the damaged bonnet and I'm going to remove a few nuts and bolts, which will give me access to fit all the new panels that I've got for this vehicle. With all the nuts removed, I tried to lift the bonnet on my own, but it wasn't working, so I had to call in some help from my guy Misu. And now this is what the RS5 looks like with those damaged panels removed. forward to, guys. It's been a hell of a last few days. And as you can see, the RS5 is coming together. We almost made it. 48 hours to rebuild this car. My guy's coming down. He's super excited because the car's back on the roads. It's back running. But we came up short because of one little thing. Check this out. So guys, Akil went ahead. He laid down this Nardo grey on both the bonnet and the front bumper. And I'm a bit annoyed. I actually filmed a lot of that process. I filmed a lot of myself putting all this front bumper, all the grills, everything together. And I've been doing 2-3 videos at the same time, and I formatted it and I forgot to take the files off the memory card. So annoying. But anyway, you guys are here to see this thing come back to life, and is actually coming back to life. This RS5 is looking amazing. All that's left now is, this is why we came up short. We thought we had this in stock. We called up TPS, and TPS they don't have it in stock either. They need to order it in, and that is literally it. Akil's gonna come in a bit. We're gonna be polishing that bonnet, polishing the front bumper. We might just give the entire car a polish, because have a look, like, it's actually, the car's been sat abandoned for so long. It's really, really dirty. It's got a lot of build up. So we're gonna be polishing off all of this stuff, give it a clean, give it a wash, polish it up, clean it all out on the interior. And I want to give it a little test drive, make sure that everything's all good. As you could see, have a look, all that carbon fiber has gone back in, all the radars has gone in there. The parking sensors, that's a replacement parking sensor that came after we sprayed, so we need to spray that. We're going to polish up the headlights, look at that new grille. Everything is looking great on the RS5. Let's give it a cold start, see how it sounds. Unlike the RS4 that I did, this has got the heads-up display. It's a top spec car, man, and that's why you pay the extra bucks. Got the key here. Battery should still be all right. So I'll just leave this to warm up. But guys, this just reminds me of my R8. But yeah, after driving the R8, man, all of these things, all of these other RS4, RS5, it just doesn't compare. But this is still a lovely car. And we almost did it. Like, what do you think? 48 hours, we did everything. Blowing away, puffing away. I'll leave this to warm up, and then we'll continue with the finishing pieces, and then we can hand this car over. You broke down on the side of the road, son. Why are you sitting here with the bonnet open? Come, man, we need to sort out this RS5. Akil just came in. We're jumping straight on this. Go on, son.
Let me drive it.
Okay, yeah. Guys, you know what? I'm not gonna lie. When it comes to driving, you've seen Akil's skills. There's no dispute there. You go. I don't want to cause any damage.
Without taking money.
Exactly. So if the new panel's back on the car, I thought this would be a perfect time to get the car out, do a first test drive, and get it down to the car wash. So first test drive in the RS5 went great. I decided to leave it at the car wash for the guys to use some chemicals to get rid of all the mumps of grime and dirt buildup. About an hour later, the car came back and it looked amazing. Check it out. So guys, the sun has come out, and the sun is coming out on this build because it no longer looks like a wreck. It has actually cleaned up really, really nicely, and all we need to do now is a bit of polishing. When that little bit comes in, we'll get that fitted. But I think we've done quite well in just 48 hours on this Audi RS5. Let's get it polished. We outside! So guys, in just 48 hours, we took this wrecked Audi RS5. It was missing the front end, it had damage to the bonnet, had damage to the wings, and we've turned it into a beast of a car.
Don't trip, yeah. I remember being broke, never having nothing else to my name. I remember when no one believed in me, now they say I'm a star like Billie Jean.
So guys, there you have it. In 48 hours, we've transformed this lovely RS5, and the owner came down today. He was ready to pick it up, but we decided to send it for a full valet. We just got it back. But check out these clips from earlier and you'll see what he thought of the job that we did. So guys, there you go. Have a look at this. We overshot the 48 hours by just one day, but we managed to get this bad boy in and it looks amazing. I've got the owner here, but he's feeling a bit camera shy. He's like, oh, I don't want to be on camera. But bro, just tell us what you think.
You guys done an amazing job on this. When this came in, I didn't think it was salvageable. But looking at it now,
it's all good, isn't it?
It's fantastic.
Yeah, looks good. Looks good. You happy with it?
Guys, thank you very much. I didn't think that it would be possible. I thought I lost my car.
Yeah.
But you guys have done some fantastic work over here.
I hear that.
I've got more work for you coming in.
I hear that. Should we show them what the more work is? Akil, we got more work. Surprise. Guys, ignore that. But anyway, guys, the RS5 is back to its former glory. It looks amazing. It sounds amazing. We just need to give it another wash. After all the polishing and stuff, we've just got some watermarks, but it's tidied up really nice. I'm very happy with it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. We're gonna start to wrap up. He's gonna drive off in his car. It's got to do some, calibration for the camera. But that's something that he can do. And this is gonna go back to work. He rents these out. Thank you. But yeah, RS5 is complete. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. This thing looks so sick. So there you have it, guys, another build in the can. It's a nice sunny day. I'm about to head off. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, smash the subscribe button. If you've enjoyed this episode, press the like button and stay tuned to see what we got coming on the future episode from Salvage Nation. In the next video dropping Wednesday at 7 PM, I'm back on the BMW 330e. We're doing a ton of work, so make sure you're there. The car is driving even more smoothly and I'm super happy so far. I'm about to have some fun. It's Friday, so like I always say, keep it moving and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed that, why don't you check out one of my previous videos on the left? There's plenty in the playlist. And if you want to know more about the salvage game, why don't you become a member of Salvage Nation and I'll be there to guide you along the way. And don't forget, you can follow me on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram if you want to get an inside scoop before YouTube.